Hola, cariño. Welcome back to Madrid. When you are coming out for eating tapas, you must come little bit early, at least 6:30. Else, it is fully crowded. You don't get space. So we are in this restaurant, Casa Labra. So this restaurant is famous for cod fish tapas. Tapas already here. It is cod fish, and that is croquetas with cod fish. Again, okay. So this is typical tapas in this place. So when you are here, you must try cod fish tapas. And then you need to drink this one also. It is very nice actually. It is grape juice. Okay, look, I am eating. This is cod fish tapas.
What is it in German?
Cod fish. I don't know. What is it? Kabeljau. In German, kabeljau. But I don't know what is in English is cod fish or Spanish.
Bacalao. Spanish bacalao. Bacalao.
Bacalao. Spanish bacalao. English cod fish. In German,
Shellfish.
selfish.
Selfish, no? Shellfish.
I am selfish because I am eating that. Okay, so this is croqueta. Yeah, croquetas. And look, it is inside fish. With the cheese or only fish? Is it with cheese? Okay. But it is not with cheese. If you don't like, then you can. If you don't like cheese, you can come here and eat this croquette. Not cheese. It's fish. Look, this is the only reason I like Spain, and mainly Madrid. Wherever you go, until midnight, 1 o'clock, you get food, and fresh food, hot. You see, this is all my friends are drinking barley coffee. Look here, another barley coffee. Here barley coffee, and only me drinking apple juice. No, grape juice. We are done with cod fish tapas because this restaurant is very famous for cod fish, and we are done with that. And soon we are leaving. And we are going to next restaurant. That restaurant is special for bathrooms. What? Oh, mushrooms, not bathrooms. Okay, so that restaurant is special for mushrooms, not bathroom. Okay, we are going. Get up, get up. So this is the restaurant. This is the restaurant we were. Okay, come. Next, we are going to another restaurant. Hop. Another restaurant. There are a lot of restaurants everywhere, and people are keep on eating always. I'm in love with Madrid.